Tired of endless email chains just to schedule a single meeting? Let's ditch the scheduling chaos and dive into setting up Calendly the right way, step by step, to reclaim your time and sanity. First, head to Calendly.com and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. The first thing we want to do is connect your calendar. Click on Connections and select your preferred calendar provider, Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud. Whatever you use, follow the prompts to grant Calendly access. This allows Calendly to check your availability and prevent double booking. Now, let's create your first event type. Click Create, then Event Type. You'll see options for one-on-one or group meetings. Choose the one that fits your needs. Give your event a clear, concise name. For example, 30-minute consultation. Add a location, whether it's a Zoom link, a physical address, or a phone call. Write a description so invitees know what to expect. Next up, customizing your availability. Click into the event you just created. Click on When can people book this event? Here you can set your available hours for each day. You can even set custom hours for specific dates. Notice the buffer option. Add time before or after meetings to avoid feeling rushed. Want to gather information from your invitees beforehand? Go to the Invitee Questions section. Here, you can add custom questions like, what are your key objectives for this meeting? Or please provide a brief overview of your project. This helps you prepare and make the most of your time. Automated reminders are essential. Go to Notifications and Workflows to customize email reminders and follow-ups. Set up multiple reminders at different intervals to reduce nausea. Explore workflows to automate tasks after the meeting, like sending thank you emails or scheduling follow-up actions. Personalize your Calendly page to match your brand. Go to Account, then Branding. Add your logo and choose your brand colors. This creates a professional and consistent experience for your invitees. Finally, let's share your Calendly link. Go back to your dashboard. You can copy the link directly from the event type and paste it into your emails, website, or social media. You can also embed Calendly directly into your website for a seamless booking experience. And that's it. You've successfully set up Calendly to streamline your scheduling. Now go out there and reclaim your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.